The story of Los Angeles, a city of dreams. Los Angeles, known as the City of Angels, is a place where dreams are chased at every turn and every step tells a new story. Its atmosphere, culture, and history blend together in such a way that everyone is eager to write a new chapter in their life. This city is located near the waves of the Pacific Ocean, and when the sun sets on its shores, it feels as though the earth and the sky are merging. Walking along the beaches of Santa Monica and Venice, people become part of the beauty that fills the heart with awe. On these shores, people live out different stories of life, some coming in search of happy moments, while others are on a quest to change their destiny. In the streets of Los Angeles, it feels as though everyone is carrying their own new story. Hollywood, the heart of the city, is where the world's greatest filmmakers and actors are born. Among its colorful streets and lights, tales of sorrow, joy, struggle, and success can be heard. Los Angeles is not just a city. It's a dream, a place where everyone has the chance to shape their own fate, and its roads are filled with endless possibilities. Another special feature of this city is its diversity. Different cultures, races, and languages intertwine here like a beautiful painting of colors. Every neighborhood, every area has its own story, and every street, every market reflects different hues of life. The truth about Los Angeles is that every moment here shows a new dream, every corner reveals a new face, and every angle shines like a ray of hope. This is the city where people come, learn, and work hard to turn their dreams into reality. Los Angeles is not only famous for its beauty and vibrant lights, but also for the unique rhythm of life it offers. This city is the epicenter of dreams, where people fuel their ambitions and strive to turn their visions into reality. The towering skyscrapers, colorful streets, and the ever-present pulse of life remind you that anything is possible in this city. LA reigns in the world of entertainment, where every corner offers a new experience, an opportunity, and an unspoken energy. Standing on its beaches, one feels detached from the worries of the world and hears the call of their own inner voice. The atmosphere in Los Angeles has a distinct calm and vitality, encouraging people to tap into their own power. It's no wonder that people from all over the world come here, hoping to rewrite their destinies, because hidden in the air of LA is the magic that turns dreams into reality. Los Angeles is a city that thrives on innovation and creativity, where every day feels like an opportunity to push boundaries and break new ground. From the iconic film studios in Hollywood to the cutting-edge tech hubs in Silicon Beach, LA has always been a place that nurtures new ideas and gives birth to new trends. Its streets are alive with artists, musicians, entrepreneurs, and visionaries, all working towards something bigger than themselves. The energy of the city is contagious, inspiring everyone who walks its streets to think outside the box and create something meaningful. Whether it's the vibrant art scene in downtown or the entrepreneurial spirit of its bustling neighborhoods, Los Angeles has a way of making people feel like anything is possible and that their wildest dreams are within reach. In the end, Los Angeles stands as a testament to the power of dreams, resilience, and transformation. It's a city that welcomes anyone with a vision, where the pursuit of greatness never stops, and every corner holds a story waiting to be written. Whether you're a creator, a dreamer, or someone simply seeking a new beginning, LA offers endless opportunities to grow and reinvent yourself. It is not just a place, It's a journey, one that invites everyone to follow their passion and build a future as limitless as the horizon that stretches beyond its skyline.